Thank you for calling customer service. This is Naz Jones. How may I assist you?
I'm returning somebody's call.
May I know to whom am I speaking with? Alright, Mr. Lillian, my name is Naz Jones and I'm calling you from Repair Street, your existing technical support company for your computer. How are you doing?
You're my existing
Your
repair?
existing technical support.
Oh,
If you remember, I want you to type www dot
okay. Okay.
helpme.net. Yes, just please type your name in there. And the support key for you would be 559
Yep.
035 064. Now click on continue.
Yeah, it says invalid support key.
Okay, let me repeat the support key for you once again. That is 559.
You said 999?
No, it's 559
Okay, 595.
No, it's 559. 2 times 5, then 9. 5,
259.
5. Yeah, no, it's 559. The first is 5. 5, 9.
Alright, 559. That says invalid support key also.
Yeah. No. Let me complete this. That's the first 3 numbers. That's 559. Erase everything from there.
Yeah, I did
Everything.
I did the 995 and then nothing comes up.
No. Now I want you to do it once again. Once you type your name, alright, the place where you see to type the support key, there I want you to type 5.
Yeah, the 995.
5. No, it's 559.
Yeah, and then it says invalid support key.
No, sir, just give me a minute. What you typing there? Can you help me with the support key?
The 959.
No. There are 6 digits, alright? There are 9-digit numbers, alright? And in that 9 digit, the first 3 digit is 559. 0.
Oh my god, I must be dumb. 3599?
Remove everything from there. Erase everything. Erase all the numbers.
I got the okay. So it's empty. There's 2 minus signs in there, and those won't go away. Hang on,
That will not go.
let me close out of this and I'll try it again.
Yes. So did you open the Chrome?
All right, so this has been 8 minutes and 52 seconds. I'm gonna end this here pretty soon.
Okay.
I have the name and the support key, and in the name it's supposed to be your name.
Yeah. Type in your name.
And that's just like it sounds. Yourname.
Sorry? You typed in your support key? You typed in your name?
I have your name in there.
What's the name you can see there?
Your name?
No. You need to type your name there.
That's what I have.
Alright. Erase that and type your name there.
Okay. Alright, so I retyped it. It says your name. Can I just bring my computer to you? Like, do you guys offer a service where you can just do the upgrade for me?
See, we do it over the phone, right? We even work online, alright? When you can be there in front of the computer and you can see what exactly we're doing on your computer.
Yeah, well,
Okay?
yeah, I'm having some issues, obviously. Is there a way I can come to you?
No, sir. There's no
'Cause
way
are
that
you guys the
you need
place-
to then,
Are you guys the place up on the main drive?
No, sir.
Like, there's that computer place right across from McDonald's. Is that you guys?
No.
No. You're not the one by Burger King, by the old school? Because those guys, I took my computer there once to get fixed, and it's got all kinds of viruses on it, and
See,
they didn't fix it very
the
good.
viruses create
And
a
to
lot
be
of
honest, I don't always download the most appropriate things, wink wink.
Alright. And it's asking you to type your name.
Yes, and I have your name written in there.
No, you will not see my name in there. Alright, unless and until if I don't take the remote access of your computer, you will not see my name. Right? Now, what I want you to do is...
Doesn't say
I would
mine.
request you to type your name.
Yeah, that's what I typed. I typed your name.
What did you type in there?
Your name?
You typed your name.
Mm-hmm.
You can type your real name like Lionel or anything else, like your pet name.
You don't have my pet names on file, do you? How would you know that?
Now, listen to me carefully. I'm just going to read out the support key for you. I want you to type in there, okay? Just type the support key. Alright?
Okay, I'm
Support
clicking.
key, ready?
Yeah, I'm clicked in the support key area now, and then it turned gray, and then it's got the 2 dashes on it. It went back to the beginning. I have the 692, and then it didn't type any other numbers, and then
That's okay. What's the name of your
cursor went back.
561. Just type
It would
in
be
the
at the
number.
top of
Don't
the
give
statement.
space or don't put any hyphens in the between. Just type now 692
Oh, you do the billing for over
561.
100 different doctors.
It's not typing any numbers. Like, if
Not
I hit the
typing
key
any
as fast as I
For
want,
100
there's
different
nothing
doctors,
comes
so
up.
Unless you, what's it's
Okay,
happening?
just give me a moment. Let me transfer
Okay,
the call
so-
to my level
Tell me
2
your last
technician,
name again.
and they would be the right person to guide you further. So just kindly be online. Okay?
Yeah, I'm online.
CER. Okay, so
And then I have your real name, and then nothing in the support key. Nothing will type in there.
how did you get my
You
number?
don't see anything on the support, right?
Right.
Okay, so somewhere on the
It's an
statement
empty
has
gray
the
box
name of a
with
doctor
2 minus
or
signs.
a doctor's office.
I'll give you the number. Okay? I'll give you
Above that.
one number at a time. You have to type it, okay?
Mm-hmm.
The first number is 6,
On the very bottom, does it say anything?
then it's 9,
Yeah, nothing is typing into this. No numbers are coming into this box. Okay, so this took me back to the same place I was, where I have your name and support key.
exactly.
And then I type your name in there.
Just your first name is enough.
I type your name or I type your first name?
Your first name.
Because last time it was your real name, but you said the name didn't really matter anyway.
Exactly, that does not matter.
Okay,
Your best name.
All right.
And
I'm
now-
sorry I couldn't help you today.
I have the support key now.
Require support key, right?
Yep.
You're typing there now.
Good. How are you getting out of this?
It just types no. It moves the cursor, but nothing comes into the box.
Took the number
It's just
off.
blank.
Are you typing the numbers there, which I'm telling you? Are you able to type the numbers?
Yeah, I'm typing. Yeah, if I just keep trying to type 6, it moves the cursor, but no 6 ever shows up in that box.
Oh, okay. If your numlock button, the numlock button on keyboard? Is it on?
That is a great question. How would I know, or where would I?
You will see a numlock button on the keyboard which says NUN lock.
You have caps lock. Is that the same thing?
Not on the left side, on the right side of the keyboard.
Right side.
Come on, Scotty, think of something.
Where you have numbers on the right side keyboard, do you see the numbers there?
Yeah, I don't see anything that says Lumdoc.
It's numlock, which says N as in Nancy, U as in Oscar, M as in Mike. You see that?
I don't. I'm getting frustrated now. What? I forgot even what we're doing. What are we? Okay, well, I'm confused because I do our network security.
You do your network security, you mean to say?
I sure do for the last 5 years. Why are you trying to get me to download something?
I'm not asking you to download something. We are just sharing the access of the computer.
I don't want you to log into my computer.
Then how would we go and resolve the problem?
You wouldn't, because I do the network security.
And how do you do that?
What do you mean, how do I do it? I have the servers at my house.
You have a server in your house, you mean to say?
Yeah, I have all the servers in my house. I do all the
Yeah,
upgrades.
what kind of...
Can I talk to Naz again?
You want to speak with?
With Naz? She was the one that was helping me.
Exactly. Give me a minute.